Hello friends. In today's tech update video, we'll talk about the latest and most exciting news from the world of technology, from AI and electric vehicles to space and fintech. So watch till the end, because each update is something that will shape our future. Let's begin. Starting with a big innovation in battery technology, China's battery giant CATL has launched its new sodium-ion battery brand called Naxtra. These batteries are considered safer and cheaper than traditional lithium-ion batteries. Most importantly, they reduce fire risks, which is a huge plus point for electric vehicles. CATL has announced mass production starting December this year. This could change the future of electric mobility worldwide. Now let's move to AI. Huawei is gearing up to mass produce its brand new AI chip, which is being seen as China's answer to Nvidia's dominance. With this, China wants to reduce its dependence on foreign technology and strengthen its own AI hardware ecosystem. Huawei's move could boost their position in the global AI race in a big way. Tesla is once again making headlines, this time for its upcoming robotaxi service. The company is aiming to revolutionize transportation with fully autonomous taxis. But there's also a lot of scrutiny happening. Investors, competitors, and even governments are watching this closely. If Tesla pulls it off, it'll be a game changer in self-driving tech. But if it fails, it could shake investor confidence. At the Beijing Auto Show 2025, Chinese electric vehicle companies have unveiled some truly futuristic models. With sleek designs, smart features, and powerful AI integration, these cars are giving serious competition to Tesla, not just in China but globally. The EV battle is heating up, and China is coming strong. Now from Earth to space, SpaceX has successfully launched a Falcon 9 rocket carrying more than 6,700 pounds of cargo to the International Space Station. This includes science equipment, food supplies, and experimental tech. Elon Musk's vision for space travel is becoming more and more real with each mission. In the healthcare sector, there's a new breakthrough. Medical tech company BD has launched an AI-powered hemodynamic monitoring system. This tool helps doctors get real-time updates on a patient's condition and make better decisions faster. It's a big step towards smarter and more efficient healthcare. Now here's a really futuristic idea, making payments using just your palm. Yes, palm-based biometric payment systems are being called a game changer, especially for people who don't have access to banks. Imagine buying groceries or booking a cab just by scanning your palm. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's becoming reality very soon. So friends, those were the top tech updates for today. From revolutionary batteries and AI chips to robotaxis and palm payments, the world of tech is moving faster than ever. Which news excited you the most? Tell me in the comments. And if you love tech content, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Until then, stay curious, stay updated, and stay connected with technology. Jai Hind.